Now, if you have the medium package or higher, you will likely want to add new pages to your website. To create a new page on your SlowBanana website, you need to have a medium package where you will be able to add new pages. And if you have this package, then you just need to hover your mouse to New and choose Page from this menu. Here, you can add the page title and then click on Publish. After that, you just need to click on SlowBanana Editor, and here you go. You are in the editing mode. Let's add some new content for this page. By clicking on Template, then we can choose Content Pages from the dropdown. We can see there's many layouts for the content pages. I'm going to choose this one. Now I have content for my page. I'm done. Let's publish.